Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to integrate Deepseek into VS Code. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first guys, you want to go ahead and open up the official Deepseek website right here, deepseek.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here where we can get started. So as you can see, we have the start now button that's going to enable you to go ahead and create an account if you do not already have one. So for to integrate it into VS Code, you're going to need an account. Open up start now, and if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in and you have your account ready, we can get started. So what we can do is follow this article right here that you can take a look at how we can get started step by step for running Deepseek locally in VS Code for powerful private AI Copilot. So basically guys, we're going to follow the steps right here where we're going to go and take a look at it. We need to download Ollama. So basically what Ollama is, it's a program that's going to enable you to run any language model on your computer locally. So as you can see, go to ollama.com and download it for your platform. Doesn't matter, Mac OS, Linux, Windows, doesn't matter. You can go ahead and download it and get started. So here we're going to go and be able to integrate Deepseek, as you can see. So basically once you have downloaded Ollama, we can continue guys and go ahead to VS Code. In VS Code, we are going to go and be searching for code GPT, where we are going to go ahead and install it and then follow the rest of the steps right here for downloading and setting up the models. You can go ahead and follow the steps right here in the article to take a look at how you can integrate a Deepseek R1 model from Ollama into your VS Code to go ahead and get started. If you need any troubleshooting or detailed information, you can find it right here on this article and get ahead and get started for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.